Welcome back to Overheat, Toyota Motorhome 2026 External Design. Modern and aerodynamic look, it will probably have a futuristic look with lines that are aerodynamic to increase fuel economy and aesthetic appeal. Advanced LED lighting, with a sleek design, the headlights and taillights are probably going to feature full LED technology. Comfort and interior features, luxurious and ergonomic interior design, a cozy and opulent ambience will be produced by premium materials including warm wood finishes, diamond-stitched leather, and ambient lighting. Fully furnished kitchenette, the kitchen will have a sink, a full-size refrigerator, a convection oven, and an induction cooktop with two burners. Flexible sleeping space, a queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress for optimal comfort will probably be the main sleeping space. Lounge dining area, a multi-purpose space with cozy chairs and a fold-down table that may be utilized for eating, working, or relaxing. Connectivity and entertainment, a sizable around 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment panel that integrates Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Smart Home Control contains integration of smart home control using a mobile application. Powertrain and Performance, hybrid and electric powertrain options. The motorhome is probably going to have a hybrid powertrain option, in keeping with Toyota's strong electrification trend. A 3.5L hybrid V6 engine with about 350 horsepower is one theory that combines strong performance with exceptional fuel economy. In the future, an all-electric powertrain alternative might also be available. High fuel efficiency, the RV should have a long range more than 600 miles on a single charge thanks to hybrid technology. Advanced drivetrain, outfitted with an all-wheel drive AWD system for stability and traction in a range of driving conditions, as well as a smooth automatic transmission. Adaptive suspension, by reacting to the load of the vehicle and the road conditions, an adaptive air suspension will offer the best possible driving comfort. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera make parking and navigating confined spaces simpler.